Number 1. The Empire State Building in New York City is about 1,450 feet high, including the antenna at the top, and 400 feet wide. Andre wants to make a scale drawing of the front view of the Empire State Building on an 8.5 inch by 11 inch piece of paper. Select the style that you would think that was the most appropriate for the scale drawing. So, let's take a look here. We're looking at the height of the actual building is 1,450 and the width is 400 feet. Okay, so we have the actual measurements. So to find the drawing measurements, we're going to divide by each one of these. So if I have 1 inch equals 1 foot, that means I would have to, if I go 1,450 divided by 1, I get 1,450 inches tall. That is definitely not going to fit on a paper that is 8.5 by 11 inches. So that one's out. If I go 1,450, the next one divided by 100, I get 14.5 inches. My paper is only 11 inches tall, so we're close, but that doesn't work either. Okay, 1 inch to 1 mile, well, there's 5,280 feet, so you could say 5,280 feet. So if I divide that, 1450 divided by 5,280, I get 0.27 inches tall. So while that would fit on the paper, it would just be like a little section of the paper. So let's look at the others to see if those will work. Here, the next ones use centimeters and meters. So 1 centimeter to 1 meter is a lot like 1 inch to 1 foot. It's not going to work. There's not going to be enough. 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer is like an inch to a mile. It would fit, but it'd be super small. So that was just 1 centimeter to 50 meters.